Hey guys, Zach here with Unreal Adventures. Today, we're going to be doing something a little different. We are going to be fishing, but not for fish. And I know that sounds weird, but I know you're asking, fishing not for fish, what are you fishing for? Well, we're going to be trying to catch some bullfrogs using fishing jigs, hooks. They'll literally eat anything, these guys. You know, they look all cute and cuddly, like something you want to keep as a pet. They're ferocious. They'll eat other frogs, they'll eat crawdads, they'll eat fish, they'll literally eat anything. So basically what I'm going to be doing today, got a little creature bait here with me. I'm just going to, basically just Texas rig it per se, and then we're going to throw them up there and we're going to see if we can get some of these frogs to come up and grab them. So I'll be right back with you. Alright guys, here we go. I basically got this thing rigged up. I basically just ran it straight through. It looks doofy, but I'm not kidding. They're going to grab it anyways. They don't really care. I don't really like to Texas rig it. I like to run it straight through the body because they will actually rip this plastic off, and I don't want to take the chance of them eating it and eating the plastic and not actually catching them, because I would rather not have them eating plastic. Like, that's just not good for anyone. So all right, here we go guys. I don't know if you guys can see him, but he's down there. He's just... I'm gonna try and bait him in. Oh, he's coming for it, guys. I see him looking. Oh, here he comes. He's got it. He's got it. Okay, wait for it. And... oh. Okay, he didn't have the hook in his mouth. He's still there, though. Let's see if we can... see if we can still get this dude.
You need a smaller jig.
Yeah. I caught him on this last year. Look at that, guys. Look how ferocious these guys are. Let's just make sure, let's really make sure he gets it all in this time before we plow him here.
You just shove more in his mouth.
Ready? Let's go for it. Got him that time. Alright guys, so like I said, you saw that guy. He literally he moved about, I don't know, 4 or 5 foot to get this thing. They are voracious predators and they are hungry. They're always hungry. Look at that, his tongue sticking out. Anyways guys, this is a super fun way to get these frogs. I mean, I know they have the traditional way, you go out, spotlight, and spear. We're gonna do some of that for you later, but for today, we're just gonna be doing this, and I bet we get our limit. Let's wait and see. Chase it up there. There he goes. Ferocious little critter. Yeah, swallow it, and drink. All right. Up to a good start on the craw. Sweet.
Good catch.
Yeah. Get him unhooked here. Look at that bad boy. Little fatty. He hopped on it like, oh man. He wasn't messing around. He saw it, he knew what he wanted. Little craw imitation. That's natural forage for him anyway, so he was all over that sucker. Let's get him in the basket. Alright, let's find another. He got it. Yeah, he does. Because there's another one down here that has it.
Oh, I didn't see that one.
No, I thought you had a different one.
Got him!
Throw it back in there, there's another one.
Look at that hog.
Nice.
Didn't have to think like a frog.
Go frog on him.
Did you?
You went frog on him?
Oh, I got him real nice. Deep like. Hey there, friend.
He came after that, ladies and gentlemen. I didn't even see him there.
Frog. It's when I spooked you.
Yeah, I just threw it up on the bank and he saw my bait.
You're at feet.
He came 50 feet for that sucker.
You are at feet.
Uh-oh.
Contents, there's a bass in there. And a moth. Oh,
Bass in there?
there's some kind of little fish, perch of some sort. Looks like a bass. No, that looks like a bass to me, but
That was that giant frog I spooked from my side.
look at that toad. Yeah, boy.
That is nice.
Awesome. All right, guys, now literally when you're going for these frogs, all you have to do is throw it within like a 5 or 10 foot radius of them and wiggle it, and they will come after it. So you don't even have to be right on top of them. We're gonna get as close as we can. So see, he just came right down on it. He's got it in his mouth. We're gonna let him take it here for a second. Ooh. Well, you win some, you lose some. I felt he had it in his mouth, but I guess he didn't. Didn't have it all the way in anyways. We'll see if he resurfaces here. Well guys, a little different camera angle today. The GoPro actually, you know, those frogs were probably 30 yards, 20, 30 yards away. The GoPro actually can't get clear footage of that just because, you know, it's a small target, it's a long ways away. So I had my little brother filming. Big shout out to AVD Videos. That's your channel, right?
Mm-hmm.
AVD Videos or AVD Productions. Check him out on YouTube, guys. He's awesome. He does some great videos. So shout out to the cameraman today. I didn't have to have the GoPro on, so it was nice. I'm gonna pull out a couple frogs here. Or at least one. Look at that sucker. There's probably, I don't know, 8 or 10 of them down there. We didn't go real hard today. We just kind of got out just to get some footage, maybe a snack for later. But if you liked the video, go ahead and subscribe. You can follow along on Instagram at un_real, REEL_adventures. And like always, guys, it's a good day to fish.